Stop what you're doing. Today, the line between science fiction and reality just vanished. China has just launched the world's first ever humanoid robot fighting tournament. That's right, AI-powered robots fighting live in front of thousands, and the internet is losing its mind. How did we get here? Are these robot gladiators just a spectacle or a glimpse into the future of sport, war, and even human society? What happens when machines not only outthink us, but outfight us? We're breaking down this insane story, showing you what really happened, what's at stake, and how it could change your life. So make sure you subscribe right now and hit that bell icon. You want the world's wildest AI news first, and you'll get it right here. Chapter 1. The birth of the robot gladiator era. Let's set the stage for what just happened. On May 27, 2025, the world witnessed a genuine sci-fi spectacle, a full-scale tournament in Shanghai, China, where humanoid robots battled it out in front of a live audience, millions streaming online, and a wave of global headlines. But what made this different from anything before? This wasn't a remote-controlled toy contest or a choreographed show. These were fully autonomous, AI-driven machines. Each robot was equipped with advanced computer vision, real-time machine learning, and physical agility that rivaled trained human athletes. Key details: size and scale. Over 10 robots from top Chinese AI labs, plus surprise entries from global tech giants, competed in multiple weight and skill classes. Arena setup. The arena looked like something out of a blockbuster, glowing floor panels, crowd-pleasing light shows, giant screens with robot stats, and even a live DJ hyping up the audience. Unscripted battles. Unlike the old BattleBots style, these matches were unscripted. The robots analyzed, predicted, and countered moves in real time, with no human hand on the joystick. This wasn't just for show. The tournament was a high-stakes demonstration of how far AI robotics have come. These bots aren't just strong, they're smart, strategic, and even a little bit intimidating. Public reaction instantly: hashtags like #RobotFight, #AI Combat, and #ChinaRobotLeague exploded on social media. Clips went viral: a 6-foot robot ducking and weaving like a professional boxer, another performing a flying kick that had the crowd screaming, commentators comparing the action to UFC, WWE, and even Terminator, except this was 100% real and 100% autonomous. Chapter 2. Inside the machines. How AI robots learn to fight. What makes these robots tick? Why are they so advanced compared to what we saw just 5 years ago? The AI brains. Each robot was powered by a custom deep learning model trained on thousands of hours of martial arts, boxing, wrestling, and tactical movement data. Using reinforcement learning, the AI learned not only what moves to make, but when to make them for maximum impact. Their vision systems combined LiDAR, stereoscopic cameras, and real-time object recognition. This meant they could track their opponent's tiniest muscle twitch or foot pivot and counter before a human referee could blink. Imagine a robot that can read body language, predict feints, and set traps like a chess grandmaster, but for hand-to-hand combat. That's what we're seeing now. Real-time adaptation. These robots weren't just running pre-programmed routines. They learned and adapted in the middle of matches. In one fight, a bot changed its entire fighting style after losing the first round, coming back to win the match, shocking both the crowd and its own engineers. Physical design. Their bodies used carbon fiber composites and shock-absorbing joints stronger than steel, lighter than a gymnast. High-torque motors gave them explosive power. Precise servo controllers enabled movements smoother than any industrial robot you've seen. Fun fact: one robot, codenamed Dragon, was rumored to have more points of articulation than a human skeleton, making it almost impossible to predict its attacks. Chapter 3. The Global Shockwave. Why this tournament changes everything. So why does this matter beyond the spectacle? This tournament is a wake-up call for almost every major industry: sports, entertainment, defense, manufacturing, and even politics. 1. The rise of a new sport, robot fighting tournaments, are now officially a thing sports networks are already negotiating for broadcast rights. Some experts say this could spawn an entirely new entertainment industry, where people tune in to watch AI evolve, develop rivalries, and just maybe develop personalities. We're talking about the birth of AI athletes, where the best programmers, engineers, and machine learning teams go head-to-head for global glory and million-dollar prizes. 2. Military and security implications. It's not just about sports. Military leaders worldwide are analyzing every move from the Shanghai tournament. If an AI can strategize, anticipate, and physically dominate in a ring, what could it do in a battlefield? China has already signaled its intention to lead the world in AI-powered defense tech, and this tournament is a clear flex of its capabilities. 3. Human-AI collaboration or rivalry. Some tech visionaries see robot tournaments as a safe testbed for advanced AI where we learn about machine behavior in a controlled setting. Others warn, today it's sports, tomorrow it's law enforcement, security, or even jobs being automated at a pace society can't keep up with. Quick poll for the audience. Would you feel safe knowing that robots trained for combat are working as police or security guards in your city? Comment below. 4th, economic impact. New industries are springing up overnight: robot design, AI coaching, combat analytics, safety engineering. But some fear a wave of automation that could wipe out traditional jobs in manufacturing, logistics, and even sports. Chapter 4. China's master plan. The AI arms race goes physical. Let's talk strategy. Why is China making such a bold play now? And what does it mean for the global balance of power? China's ambition. China has been investing billions in AI and robotics for years. The message is clear. We're not just building the future, we want to lead it. Hosting the first ever robot combat tournament puts China on the map as the go-to nation for next-gen robotics, both for entertainment and for more serious applications. The international ripple effect. Already, the US, Japan, South Korea, and the EU are scrambling to respond. Major robotics companies and defense contractors are rushing to prototype their own AI-powered fighters, some for sports, others for security, and some for much darker uses. The AI Olympics rumors are swirling that China will invite teams from around the world for an AI Robot World Cup in 2026. The stakes, not just trophies or money, but bragging rights for the world's smartest and toughest AI systems. Think about it. Every advance in robot combat means faster, smarter, more capable machines. Today it's in a ring. Tomorrow it could be anywhere: factories, disaster zones, or military hotspots. The dark side experts warn about black box AI systems, robots making decisions no human can fully understand or control. What happens if one of these bots goes rogue, or if rival nations use AI for cyber or physical warfare? Audience question: who should control the rules for robot fighting and AI development? Governments, tech companies, the public? Tell us what you think. Chapter 5. The future. Will robots be our champions or our rivals? Let's go deeper. What does this all mean for you, your family, your community, in our world in the next decade? First, entertainment revolution. We might see global robot fight leagues, pay-per-view events, AI athletes with their own fan bases, and schools teaching robot coaching as a career. 2. Education and inspiration. Robot fighting inspires a new generation of kids to learn coding, engineering, and AI. Already after today's tournament, coding academies in China reported a surge in enrollment as kids dreamed of building the next robot superstar. 3. The ethics debate. Is it ethical to train AI for violence, even if it's just sport? Where's the line between entertainment and real-world risk? Some experts call for strict regulation. Others say open competition will drive innovation and safety. 4. Human identity in the age of AI. When machines outfight us, outthink us, and outperform us, what's left for humans? Some say we'll always crave the human story, the struggle, the underdog, the creativity. Others believe we'll merge with our creations, using AI as teammates, not just rivals. Here's what's certain. The robot fighting tournament in China was more than just a show. It was a message. The future is coming fast. The only question is, will we control it or will it control us? Wow, if you made it this far, you're officially part of the next generation of AI news junkies. Robot fighting leagues, AI combatants, international tech rivalries, the world is changing right before our eyes. What started in one arena in China is about to become a global movement. We'll keep you ahead of the curve before the news hits mainstream. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and join our community for all the latest, most mind-blowing AI updates. If you're ready for the future, you belong right here. Drop your wildest predictions below. Will robots be our new sports heroes, our protectors, or something far more unpredictable? This is just the beginning. Stay curious, stay safe, and stay tuned. We'll see you on the next AI News Drop because in this world, you want to be first, not last.